Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? Thank you all for stopping by. In today's video I'm going to be trying out something new, something I've never tried before, which is making a pounded yam with my blender. I've seen many videos of this and I decided to give it a try to see how it will turn out. So guys, keep watching, stay with me. Let's make this together to see the outcome, how it will turn out, okay? Over here you can see me cutting my yam. I'm going to cut it and peel it. Guys, as I said, this is my first time, so I don't know how this is going to turn out, okay? Let's keep watching and see if I will get a good result from it. So now I'm done cutting. I'm peeling off the skin, as you can see. If you are watching me for the first time, please kindly click the subscribe button to join my family, okay? Click the subscribe button and also the bell icon that will pop out beside it. Choose the option that says all. That will give you all notification every time I upload new videos. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It's good to be trying out something new, right? So I'm going to give this a try and see if I'll get a great result. So now I'm done peeling the yam, as you can see. So I'm going to cut it into smaller chunks for easy blending and also to cook fast and cook well as well. Cut it into smaller chunks like this so that it will cook well and also not to spoil your blender. Now I'm done cutting, so I'm going to wash it very well several times to make sure that it is well clean. After that, I'll transfer it into my cooking pot. So I add some water, enough water to cover the yam so that it will cook very well for me. We are looking for a soft yam over here because we are using blender, so make sure your yam is well cooked. Here is it. It's well cooked and soft. So, and over there is the water I got from the cooked yam. The water I drained from the yam is over there, so I left it aside to see if I'll be needing it. And yes, of course, I make use of it. I added some to the yam for easy blending. Not too much. Be careful when adding the water. Then I'll start blending, as you can see. It's been a while that I ate pounded yam. I don't trust the yam flours they sell in the African shops. That's why I don't go for them. But if this should work for me, then that means I'll be eating pounded yam often. Here, as you can see, I changed my food processor just because I wanted to see the difference. I wanted to see how the two the texture the two blender will give me. You understand? So I wanted to see which will give me the perfect pounded yam. That's why I changed up to use this for a while. So, and I finally fall in love with this one. I like the texture and how smooth this gave me compared to the other blender. So here we go. Our pounded yam is ready. Inyo is ready. Straight from your kitchen. No stress, no pounding. Wow, guys, I really like the texture. So today you've seen it. It is very possible to use your blender to make pounded yam straight from your kitchen. Here is it. Looking so soft and smooth. No lumps at all. And over here is the vegetable soup that I enjoyed my pounded yam with. Guys, if you missed this vegetable soup recipe, please check out the video. The link will be in the description area. Check it out and see how I made this mouth-watering vegetable soup. So guys, thank you so much for staying with me to this point. I really appreciate you all. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it to your family and friends, and also subscribe to my channel for more recipe videos. Thank you all. Till I come your way next time. Stay blessed, stay safe, and bye bye.